Can you, can you read the book?
Yes, Uncle. Pineapple. Rabbit.
A rabbit?
Rabbit.
Oh, it's a frog.
Buggies.
It's a buggy?
Ew. Go away, buggies.
Yeah, it's a ladybug. Go away, buggies.
They go away, buggies. Sorry. No buggies no more.
No buggies no more. What is that?
Oh, this is buggies.
Those are buggies, yeah.
It's a buggies. It's all gone.
They're all gone? What's on here? Wait, what's on here?
No. It's buggies. Bear.
That is a bear.
Oh, zebra thing.
Missy, no.
No, that is a wood on bear. Right? Oh, buggies. What's that? It's green.
What's that? What's that?
Apple.
That is an apple.
Yeah.
What's that?
It's pink.
Peas.
Peas. What's that?
Here, hold on.
A sock.
Yeah, a frog. Yes, good boy. And what's that? What's that? Hold on, look. What's this?
Car.
Yes.
A sock.
A truck?
Sock. Here. And here.
Wait, what's this? Look, look. Hold on, look. What's that?
Boom.
A balloon?